Good morning, my name is Tarmo and my geocaching name is Metroboy. Today I'm planning to finally get along to do the SpongeBob series near Ongar. And for that reason I took the early train from Southend Victoria to Shenfield, and from Shenfield now I'm sitting in the train that takes me to the Brentwood. I do have exactly 10 minutes to catch the bus 21 that goes towards Ongar, and if I'm lucky I'm catching that one, you'll see how I'm attempting to do the SpongeBob series.
The next station is Brentwood.
Thank you very much, sir, and have a nice day. I have absolutely no idea what this is, but there's like some kind of military exercise field or something. I'm not really sure, you know. If anyone knows, please let me know. Because if I'm moving the camera over there, you see there's much more similar looking things, you know. I really don't know what it is. But there's no activity today, that I can say. This is meant for the ditch jumping. Wow. Should I? What do you reckon? Should I? Probably not. It's too muddy for me. This all reminds me the school. When I was in school, we had, you know, to do similar kind of things. So yeah, I mean, if I'd be younger, I would spend the whole day here. But as you know, I'm 41 years old. I don't know. I'm not that young for this, but it's a good idea. Maybe I do a couple swings here. Quite a balancing act, I must say. Jesus. So this one is called Low Rig. Oh dear. Now walking on a stretch of road which is quite dangerous. So I don't feel the most comfortable right here. But yeah, quite a fun. Behind me is a secret nuclear bunker where British government was supposed to working undergrounds and is self-sustains in the case of nuclear blast. It is called the Kelvedon Nuclear Bunker, and it spawns underground for several miles. Sadly, I came from the wrong part, so this one here is a private road access and I cannot get through that gate. So if I want to visit this one, I need to go from the other side. But because I'm walking and my main goal is doing the SpongeBob geocache, I'm gonna leave this today as it is. And then I think I'm gonna will return to this location later date. close here is river roading, and somebody was asking in another video comment that I should visit the roading. Well, it's not quite the same roading, but I guess the river roading goes past to that roading that one of my viewers was asking about. Boat jump roading, I believe, was that location, and I did check geocaches around that area. There is one church micro by Ellen Pride, so I might do that one, but I need to check how to commute there, because as you know, I'm old-fashioned. I don't take my car to these longer trips. I like to commute. But watch out, this is beautiful, beautiful vistas, beautiful views, and it's excellent day out on the countryside. Believe me, do the SpongeBob while you can. This is better than a summer holiday in Spain, where is over tourism, or I don't know, partying in Ibiza. And what you end up in Ibiza is that you drink yourself out from the commission, you wake up, you have a hangover, and you don't remember anything about it. But when you come here on the countryside, you can drink milk if you like. That makes you feel good. Come out, have some fun, do some activities. If it's not geocaching, I don't know, just walking, join the ramblers, whatever. This is life full of, energy. Enjoy the moment. Carpe diem, like the old Latin sentence saying. So just enjoy, my friends. Trampling down a little bit. Oh yeah.
Would they have talked about the end of the bridge? Oh.
Here we go. Here we go. There's quite a few goodies here inside.
Because I can't really see without my glasses. I hope I get it all for you.
No, it's wonderful. It's wonderful. So what I really need to do now is get the pen. Find it. Here we go. And sign this one. So today is 13th. 13/7/24, and my caching name is Metroboy 2011. That's it. Thank you very much.
Fantastic.
Pyhä taivas. Jeesus. Sake.